Hello everyone, welcome to iBoysoft channel. This video tutorial is all about how to fix Windows 10 or 11 slow startup and the slow shutdown issue, and it's divided into 3 chapters. The first chapter provides common solutions to both slow startup and slow shutdown. The second chapter lists methods applicable only to slow startup. The third chapter offers methods aiming to solve slow shutdown on Windows. Fast Startup is a built-in feature that allows your PC to start up faster after a shutdown. However, this feature can incur the slow startup and the slow shutdown issues on Windows. Therefore, you can disable the Fast Startup feature by following the steps. First of all, you need to open the control panel and switch to large icons. Click Power Options and click Choose what the power buttons do, and tap on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now you need to uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and tap on the Save Changes button. After that, you need to restart your Windows PC. The corrupted or missing system files could be to blame for the slow startup or slow shutdown on Windows. The System File Checker can help check the integrity of critical system files. If any files are corrupted or missing, it will attempt to repair them using a cached copy in the system. To do it, you need to run the command prompt as administrator. When the command window appears, input the commands underlined in red and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. When the scanning and the repair are finished, restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. Many Windows users may give little thought to the mechanism that the system loads various programs, apps, and services during startup. Some applications join the startup list by default without asking for users' permission. If you encounter the slow startup issue on Windows 10 or 11, check the startup programs and applications and you can disable them. To do this, you can right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager and go to the Startup tab and right-click on the target application or program and disable them. After that, you can restart your PC and see if it works out. If your system drive, aka C drive or local disk C, runs out of space, it can result in the slow startup issue on Windows. And here's how to free up the space in the system drive using the built-in tool. You need to double-click this PC and right-click on the system drive, choose Properties, and tap on Disk Cleanup button. And when the window pops up, you can choose the files you want to delete and click the OK button to delete them. After that, you can restart your PC and see how it works out. Pagefile is a system file that stores the virtual memory. The system ensures smooth operation by moving the inactive processes to the Pagefile, freeing up the RAM for active tasks. However, slow startup can be caused by the improperly configured Pagefile size. Here's how to check and adjust the Pagefile file size. To do this, you need to search for System Properties Advanced and tap on the result to open. And under the Advanced tab, click Settings and go to the Advanced tab again and tap on the Change button and uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives and choose Custom Size. And this is the place where you can input the recommended value. And after inputting the value, click the OK button. And next, you need to restart your Windows PC and see if the method works out. An outdated graphics driver could lead to a slow startup on Windows. Here's how to update the graphics driver when your Windows slow on startup. Right-click on the Start menu button and choose Device Manager. When the window pops up, expand Display Adapters and right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver and tap on Search automatically for drivers. This allows the system to search for and install the drivers for you. After that, you need to restart your PC. A highly fragmented hard disk drive can incur slow Windows startup, as a hard disk drive relies on physical moving parts, so if system files are split into pieces and are stored in non-continuous spaces, it takes more time to read them during startup. If your Windows is slow on startup, defragment your hard disk drive on which Windows operating system is installed. To do this, you need to search for defragment and optimize drives. And when the window pops up, you can choose the system drive and tap on the optimize button. After that, you can restart your PC. Interference from software or software conflicts can be the culprit for the Windows slow shutdown issue. Clean boot is a built-in feature on Windows that allows the system to start with a minimal set of drivers and services. This helps diagnose whether there's a service or software is causing the problem. And here's how to boot your Windows PC into the clean boot mode. You need to press the Windows and the R keys to launch the Run Dialog box and input msconfig and click the OK button. And go to the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All, and go to the Startup tab. Open Task Manager and disable all the listed startup items, and then close the Task Manager window and click the OK button, and then you will be prompted to restart your PC. Your Windows PC will be in the clean boot mode after restart, and then you can shut down the computer. If the Windows slow shutdown issue persists, use other solutions. Conversely, follow the steps below to identify which software or service is causing the problem. You need to open the system configuration window again and re-enable some of the services, particularly those you installed recently, and then shut down your computer and see if the speed is slow. Repeat the steps and you may be able to identify the software or service that is acting up. You can either uninstall the software or terminate it before shutdown. To exit the clean boot mode, open System Configuration window and go to the General tab and choose Normal Startup, and then go to the Services tab and re-enable the services, and then restart your PC to exit the clean boot mode. The Windows registry refers to the configuration settings and options on Windows. Improper configuration settings may result in the computer slow shutdown issue, so you can follow the steps below to set proper configuration settings. Press the Windows and the R keys to launch the Run Dialog box and input regedit and click OK to open the registry editor window. After the window pops up, you need to choose Computer, Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, and the Control, and Session Manager. And choose Memory Management. And in the right panel, you need to double-click Clear Page File and Shutdown. And change the value data to 0. Click the OK button. After that, go to the Control folder. And you need to double-click Wait to Queue Service Timeout and change the value data to 2000 and click the OK button. After that, you need to restart your PC.